morning. We are just leaving our resort in Run of Kutch. We stayed there for a night and it was a brilliant day. We got to see the salt, literally the salt desert, so to speak. Today we are moving on towards Dholavira. On the route, we plan to take a look at Kala Dungar, or Black Mountain as they call it. And then, of course, the magical road to heaven, which we keep hearing about. We plan to drive through that, and from there we touch down at Dholavira, where we stay for the night. I forgot to mention one thing about this place, Run of Kutch, or Dordo as they call it, the name of the town or village. This Run Utsav going on out here, which starts in sometime I think in November or October and goes on till February end or March. It's a festival where they have all the local, the traditional handicrafts and other kinds of makers of handbags and shawls and bedding material, all kinds of things, and mojeries. So, and then they also have a lot of cultural programs around that. So it's quite a festive occasion out here. But one thing which I must say is that, well, we had a lot of expectations with respect to the Utsav itself, but it didn't turn out to be that great. It was a okay kind of a thing. Nothing really worth coming all the way from any other place to just see this, because you may find these kind of shops anywhere else as well, and not a lot of cultural programs as well. That's it. Until later. Guys, we are now passing through a road. It's a single lane road. We are traveling from Dordo towards Kala Dungar, and as you can see, it's one lane and there's a truck driving in front of us. There's no space for us to overtake it. Any oncoming traffic means we have to either the oncoming vehicle have to pull over onto the side of the road so that the other person can pass us by. But take a look at the expanse of land ahead of us. There's literally nothing. It's just a vast empty land, and it's quite a breathtaking sight. Something which I have never seen before, and something I think which all of you may also want to come down and see. We can see the distant horizon as well. So quite a brilliant view, and the road itself seems to be an unique experience. ठीक है, while going to Mumbai.
So this is on our way up to the viewpoint of Kalo Dungar. A lot of small shops along the way, typically touristy. Yeah, why not? That's the point, no?
But you want to? Sure, you're going to be able to do this.
Yeah, why not? I think that's the point we have to go to. It's a small walk up and down the steps. Okay, we have reached the point, top view of Kalo Dungar.
Okay guys, just an update. We are coming from Dodo, moving towards Dolavira, and as we do that, we are now passing through what is known as Road Through Heaven. It's a very interesting road. We can see the sea on either side of this road for the moment. It's really pretty guys, and it actually feels like you're going to heaven. It's just a single lane road as usual, and it's been like this for the last 60 to 70 kilometers, but quite interesting to drive through this. There are certain etiquettes which are being followed by the cars and vehicles coming from towards you.
This reminds me of the
Rameshwaram.
Rameshwaram road which we took now. So we have just stopped by for a quick look. Many people have actually stopped this way. You can see the sea. This road cuts across the water. It's lovely to see. Oh God. See the water right besides the road here. Oh. Look at this. It's a simply awesome view.
Hey guys, this is really beautiful. It's very serene and peaceful. You can just the waves and then the odd passing car. Nice and cool place.
Simply beautiful, no?
नहीं बढ़िया वाला है.
Road to Heaven stretch is, I think the distance is around 30 kilometers stretch. This road cuts across the sea. As you can see the water on both sides of the road. It's simply amazing, the view. This drive across is going to be beautiful. We are right at the beginning of the road actually, and now we're going to drive past this road for another 30 kilometers. This is the white salt, no? White salt stretch at the end of this. So that's the end of it. Closing in on Dholavira, which is just another 4 kilometers away. Yeah. Take a left to go to Dholavira. यहाँ पे लिखा है डोलावीरा. एक मिनट. We are closing in on our destination, which is the Evoke Resort at Dholavira. Okay, here we are. So this is our stay for today. This one. Cute little resort. So cute, na? These statues are.